Bridge with the figure 8. This is a great advanced movement. It will challenge you in areas that you have no idea. But let's figure this out and let's break it down. So starting out with your perfect posture, which means your shoulders are back and down, rib cage is in, and your pubic bone and upper edge of your pelvis are parallel to the floor. Now from there, your feet are hip distance apart, and your feet should be directly underneath your knees. Hands down so shoulder blades stay back. Roll up into a bridge by tucking your pelvis under and rolling all the way up. Now, once you're up, the same posture we had on the floor is right here, from the shoulders all the way through the knees. Keeping this posture no matter what I tell you to do, this stays. Slowly lift up the left leg all the way up and proceed to draw a figure 8. Start small and then test yourself. See if you can go a little bit bigger without throwing any of this off. So we can go big. That's probably as big as I can go. And then bring the leg right back in and set your leg down. Holding yourself, double checking your posture here, pulling in from the rib cage, shoulders back and down, leg comes up. And once again, start with a small figure 8 and then work your way bigger without changing anything in your spine. The minute you feel like you're falling and moving around, then that's where we need to stop. The goal always is keeping your perfect posture, and then whenever you're done, you come down and roll yourself out.